What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're reacting to Vended. Overall, new song just came out. Loop to react. Let's do it.
The lyrics is like, overall, we are the sons of SlipKnot.
Okay.
Ooh. Pretty SlipKnot-y, but
Stop.
I mean,
This is not very SlipKnot. It's more Stone Sour.
no, this is I love the guitar. I love they're kind of grungy looking too.
Yeah.
Very 90 looking.
I like the square format video that everybody's bringing back now.
And there's definitely a little more production money.
Yeah.
Than the previous ones. What up, boys?
I think this reaction is going to be try not to compare Vended to SlipKnot reaction.
I mean, you know, it's hard, but
Yeah, you can't start a song with yeah. I mean, come on.
if you have the same voice as your father.
Exactly.
Good though. This is good.
I'm stuck in another cycle. Get out of my head. Cut the thread. Disconnect. Where to start? I know. I lost it. They all fled. I lost it. They all fled. Once again, just like all my sins, I tangled in the web. I shut my head in a box.
This is good.
No one else was even there to watch.
So you
No,
know,
no, Hasma. These are not the songs that didn't make it to the SlipKnot album,
Dude,
okay?
dude,
These are
so-
not recycled songs.
So now I'm like I'm dividing my soul because I don't give a damn now if they are the songs of the SlipKnot.
They are,
Yeah.
yeah.
They are. So let's
thought you
stop
said songs.
comparing. Dude, this is what you want from SlipKnot that they're not doing anymore because they're thinking about doing like big songs and big money. This is good.
It's good. It's raw.
I love it.
It's raw.
I love it.
Yeah.
Great voice. Everyone, I think they grew a lot. And I'm not a hater because I like him, but I'm a little bit a hater because I don't like famous people, kids, you know? But I don't care anymore. They're good.
No,
This
they're
is
good.
a good song. And this, like, this vocal effect on the melodic part, I'm like, hell yeah, give it to me. Give it to me.
I like it.
No one else was even there to watch.
So good. Give it to me.
Go away, you'll never
This is so good.
I shove my head in a closet, bent around, painted. No one else was even there to watch. It's leeching off my health. I so lower myself. The permanence is like a pus. It's leeching off my health. I so throw myself. The permanence seems like a pus.
Hell yeah. So, dude, I'm gonna stop comparing
Right.
because out of respect, because the kids they have it.
No,
So
exactly. But you know what? Honestly, yes, you're the son of SlipKnot, but if you suck, you suck.
that's true. That's
Right?
true.
These guys don't
actually-
suck.
They don't suck.
They don't suck.
Dude, I don't remember his name. Corey's son has an insane voice, dude.
Yeah, I mean, they might be sharing the same vocal coach.
Probably. But dude, he's so good.
No, he's
so
good.
young.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like, so he's so young, right? And when we start making music and we're like young, we don't necessarily use, the right technique, and like, we just do shit, right?
Yeah.
So this guy obviously for sure has someone
Probably.
that
but he's
helps
good.
him control and everything. So
I
that's
mean, probably
huge. If
his
you start
dad,
doing
too.
that when you're a kid, I mean, not a kid, but a teenager, whatever. Like if you start that at a young age, you have control of your voice. Like it can only get better. So
Yeah, very good though. Very good. Like I like everything. I got bored a little bit at the end.
Yeah.
But very good. Yeah, they're growing.
dude,
You can tell they're gonna be super fun to
absolutely.
to listen to.
Yeah. So next time we go to Not Fest, because we go to Not Fest every year.
They're probably gonna be there.
They're gonna be open
This
again,
time,
but
no,
we're
this
gonna
time
be
we're gonna be at mid.
Right, right.
Set.
We're gonna appreciate them more.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave us a comment, and we also stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/SlipKnot2win. Thank you for being here. Catch you later.